Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your NFT strategy with OpenSea detailed guide step by step clearly. OpenSea is one of the leading platforms for buying, selling, and creating NFTs. To improve your NFT strategy, start by researching the market trends. Identify popular projects and categories to understand what's currently in demand. Next, create a thorough profile on OpenSea. Make sure to use a strong, recognizable username that reflects your brand. Upload an appealing profile picture and cover image. Write a compelling bio that highlights your expertise and interests in NFTs. Once your profile is set up, dive into the marketplace. Explore the various collections and artists featured on the platform. Take note of the different genres of NFTs, such as art, music, and virtual real estate. After gaining insight into trending NFTs, develop your collection. Focus on a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Ensure that your NFTs are unique and offer value to potential buyers. When creating NFTs, pay attention to quality over quantity. Invest time in crafting engaging descriptions and utilizing eye-catching visuals. Next, consider pricing strategies for your NFTs. Research similar NFTs to gauge fair pricing based on rarity and demand. Don't overlook the importance of setting the right royalty percentages. Build a marketing plan to promote your NFT collection effectively. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work and engage with the community. Consider collaborating with other artists and influencers to expand your reach. Engage with potential buyers and collectors through comments and messages. Hosting virtual events or giveaways can generate buzz around your NFTs. Stay up to date with OpenSea updates and platform enhancements. Regularly analyze your sales performance and market trends. Adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not. Network within the NFT community to learn from others' experiences. Attend virtual conferences or forums to expand your knowledge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.